Are you experiencing financial irregularities and difficulties in keeping track of accounts payables and receivables? Are cash flow blockages putting your business at risk of financial instability? Finance management is at the heart of ERP systems. The ERP Finance module manages organizations' key financial activities, including general ledger and balance sheet maintenance, producing accounts payable and accounts receivables, and tax management. It also supports other business functions, like risk management, budgeting and forecasting, reporting, payroll management, and many more. Which ERP is ideal for your organization depends on your business needs and preferences, but to make the process of choosing the best ERP for financial management easier, you can look at these top ERP alternatives available in the market today. 1. Acumatica. 2. Epicor. 3. IFS. 4. Infor. 5. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance. 6. Oracle NetSuite. 7. Sage. 8. SAP. ERP provides a 360-degree perspective of an organization's financial operations, allowing users to assess its financial status, track expenditures, calculate revenues, and maintain control over all financial back-office processes. If you're still undecided on which ERP financial software to use, then feel free to contact us.